guys, today I'm going to be doing an HID install on a 2011 BMW 328i. It's very straightforward. If you want to come over here, it's the corner bulb, you can see, it's right in there. It's her main headlight. Some people could get it from the top, but in all honesty, I'm going to take the wheel off and go through the wheel well, and then it'll be a little bit easier to access. Alright, so now I'm just going to loosen up the wheel bolts and then jack it up. Alright, now that they're loose, I'm going to jack it up. We're going to take them off, and that's that. Alright, so I got the wheel off. Most people have access through this little cover up here, which you can take out. And then it's in this little plastic housing, but in all honesty, it's kind of a bitch to get off. So I'm going to take the whole wheel well lining and pull it back. And it's a couple bolts around the whole side. It's 7 millimeters right there, up there, and we'll do that. One over here. Alright, so I got this 7 millimeter nuts off, or screws I should say, and then I'm just going to pull back this fender lining just to make it a little bit easier. I'm not going to take it off from down here. There's bolts under here that are holding it in. I don't need that much access, but as you can see, that is the housing that the HID is in. It's 3 T20 screws, one up there, one over here, and then one in that corner, and this plastic cover will come right out, so I'll get to that. Work at the same time in this little area. Alright, so we got 2 out. Now the last one is up top, up here. Right up here. Alright, so I got the 3rd screw out, and that will just release that little cover. Okay, so the bulb is right here. It's connected to a little connector right here, which you could pull right off. But let's get this little tab out. Okay, there's that. It's a little hot because I was driving it a little earlier. Okay, there's the old bulb. It's got heat spots on it, and you can actually see, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's burnt out. But definitely, so whoever replaced this touched it with their finger without wearing a glove, and they got a finger mark on it, and that grease and oil from your fingers will cause this bulb to burn out. And it's not a cheap bulb. The dealer wanted $300 for the bulb. I think your like a local auto parts will want like $150, but that's it. All right, so if you guys are wondering, it's a D1S is the part number. This one's made by Sylvania. I got it from AutoZone, I believe. But when you take out the new one, be careful. You don't want to touch that with your finger, so definitely wear gloves. But want to make sure everything looks right. You got the little grooves right there and there, there and there. And then the pins are 2 on this side and 1 on that side, same as the other one. Perfect. Alright, so we're going to put the new bulb in, just like that. So the connector is down facing the bottom. This will push in. Let's see, there's a little tab that you kind of got to get it in. Perfect. And this just slides right in there. Perfect. Everything's good, sealed up. So now we're going to put that cover back on. Like that. Alright, and then it's pretty much the reverse procedure. Put that on, tighten up the lining, and then put the wheel on, and that's a wrap. Alright, just for your information, This was the bulb I replaced. It's HID. It's a low beam, and it's the furthest one on the headlight assembly.